I'm at my first moose in Canada. Unfortunately, it was not very amused about me, so it would just turn around and run into my bike. After he rammed me off my bike, it would just disappear into the bushes, but it would still observe me through the leaves.
Okay.
And after a while I felt a bit safer, so I would try to pick up my bike again. But as soon as I did this, it would come out of the bushes again and would try to ram me another time. So I put my bike to the side and just ran into the bushes myself, and then observed the moose through leaves until it would run away.
Okay, I'm very sorry for the moose. Fuck. Shit. What the fuck? I'm really sorry for the moose, like, I didn't want to harm it. And I know it was stupid of me. This was the first moose I've ever seen in my whole life. And I don't want to meet it again.